If you're unsure if hiring a copywriter is the right move for your business, then know that you're not alone. In this video, I'll help you understand what a copywriter is, how they can benefit your business, and what questions to ask before hiring one. So, what is a copywriter? Well, they're the person who writes the words you see in marketing and advertising, say on a website or a newsletter, social media post, or even a product description online. The whole point of copywriting is to get people to take action, whether that's buying your products, signing up for a service you offer, or developing a better understanding of why your business even matters. A good copywriter should be able to connect with people and help drive sales for your business through catchy headlines, powerful CTAs, or full-on sales pages explaining what your brand is and why it's of value. They'll do this in a few ways. First is written marketing copy. This covers everything from website pages and ads to emails, product descriptions, landing pages, and even brochures. Second is research. Good writing starts with good info. Before writing, copywriters will do some digging to better understand your product, audience, competition, and what's happening in the market. Third, creating headlines and taglines. You know those catchy one-liners you see that grab your attention? Well, there was a copywriter behind that. A solid headline or tagline can make a huge difference in whether someone keeps reading. 4, writing sales copy. Now, these are the words that will live on your sales page, marketing emails, or any product-focused content. Basically, any text that's going to turn someone from curious to customer. 5, developing a brand voice. Now, if you're struggling with coming up with a consistent tone for your brand, then a copywriter will help you establish and maintain one. This ensures that all written content feels consistent and aligns with the company's identity. 6, SEO copywriting. Now, a lot of copywriters also write for search engines, which means using keywords naturally and formatting content so that it ranks better in search results. That way, more people can actually find what you're offering. 7, editing and proofreading. Now, clean and polished writing helps build trust. Before anything goes out, a copywriter will always double check the work for spelling, grammar, tone, and clarity. Clean, polished writing helps build trust. So, now that you understand what a copywriter does, let's take a look at the different types of copywriters you may want to consider. The first is SEO copy. Now, this is a kind of writing that's all about helping your brand or content be found online. Copywriters who specialize in SEO writing will use keywords and best practices to make sure that your brand or business ranks well in search engines and brings in the right traffic. Sales copywriting is all about driving conversions. With this style, writers will focus on things like customer pain points, benefits, and calls to action to help turn interest into purchases. Creative copywriting emphasizes creating memorable content. Think catchy slogans, jingles, or really good ad campaigns that may stick in your head for a while. Email copywriting is used for email campaigns where you want to capture attention quickly and guide your reader towards clicking, signing up, or buying something. So let's look at a few examples of good copywriting. Now, Mortal Kombucha. Their homepage is a great example of fun, creative copy that connects with its audience. The brand uses simple, witty language, making it stand out in a crowded e-commerce space. How about David Ogilvy's Rolls-Royce ad? Now, his ad focuses on the driving experience rather than the car itself. The headline emphasizes luxury and comfort, drawing on customer testimonials to communicate the car's superior qualities. Now, a lot of people have considered this to be one of the best ads of all time. And of course, the unofficial Shopify podcast. The homepage for this podcast nails good copy. It clearly explains the value of tuning in, learning from successful entrepreneurs, gaining tips, and growing your store. Now, When hiring a copywriter, you'll want to ask them the following to make sure that they're a good fit for you and your brand. The first is, do you have industry experience? Now, this will help you determine if they've worked with similar businesses and are a good fit for you. You can ask for specific examples or past clients to get a feel for their background. What's your research process like? A good copywriter should be able to dig into your business, understand your audience, and uncover what makes your brand unique. Do you have any writing samples? Ask to see examples of their work, and if possible, find out what kind of impact their writing had. Did it help increase sales, boost engagement, or improve conversion rates? What's your writing style? Now, some writers lean more toward storytelling, while others are more technical or straightforward. So make sure their style lines up with what you're looking for. Do you work with SEO and keyword research? If search traffic matters to your business, you'll want someone who understands how to write for people and search engines. Ask if they know how to find keywords and analyze Google results. So, now that you know what to look for, what to ask, and how to find a copywriter who actually gets your business, when it's done right, it can make a huge difference. Now, if you've enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on how to grow your business the right way.